Hi, this is Polyban Teachers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you like this video. Hi, this is Polyban Teachers and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting episode of Daily Dose. Today's Daily Dose will include Thought of the Day, 4 vocabulary words with meanings and usage, and stories from Panchatantra. So stay tuned to my channel, #Polyban Teachers. Thought of the day: children must be taught how to think and not what to think. I repeat the thought. Children must be taught how to think and not what to think. 4 vocabulary words are browbeat, brunt, bucolic and buffoon. The first word is browbeat, which means discourage or frighten with threats. It's a verb and the sentence is, for 10 minutes he bullied and browbeat the sergeant whose men were not responsible for the opening fire. The second word is brunt, which means the worst part or chief impact of a specified action. It's a noun and the sentence is, while Texas is taking the brunt of drought, surrounding states are also suffering. The third word is bucolic, which means related to the pleasant aspects of the countryside. It can be used as a noun or as an adjective. And the sentence is, he is happy to see his men busy in planting, hunting, fishing and engaged in all manner of bucolic activities. The last word is buffoon, which means a silly person who tries to be humorous but ends up with foolish actions. And the sentence is, I wonder when my 30-year-old son will stop acting like a buffoon and begin to take his life seriously. Now coming to the last portion of this video, that is stories from Panchatantra. Today I am going to narrate a story from Panchatantra and the name of the story is The Lion and the Camel. Long ago, in a dense jungle, a lion lived with its 3 assistants, a jackal, a crow and a leopard. Due to their proximity to the king of the jungle, the assistants never had to look for food. One day, they were surprised to see a camel, which usually lived in the desert, wandering in the forest. On inquiry, they learned that the camel lost its way. The lion gave it shelter and protected it. One day, the mighty lion was injured in a battle with the elephants. Unable to hunt, the lion and the assistants were left hungry. The 3 assistants suggested that they should eat the camel, but the lion refused to kill it. The assistants hatched a plan to make the camel offer itself as food to its protector. The crow, the leopard and the jackal each offered itself as food to the lion, which it refused. Seeing this, the camel also did the same and was instantly killed by the lion. Thus, the moral of the story is, it is unwise to believe or trust the cunning people who surround the powerful or wealthy ones for their own benefit. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is hashtag Polyban Teaches, and wait for the next episode of Daily Dose. Till then, bye bye.